Welcome to English Clouds channel. In this lesson, we'll see the present simple. The formation of the present simple tense. For most verbs, the present simple is formed by using the base form of the verb. Base form of the verb, example, work, play, run. But for the third person singular, he, she, it, we add an s or es to the base form. Examples: I work, you work, he, she, it works, we work, they work. Exception for verbs ending in s, sh, ch, x, or z, we add es. I watch, he watches. I go, he goes. Now let's look at the verb to be because it has a unique form in the present simple. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, they are. When to use the present simple? The present simple is used for habitual actions, actions that happen regularly. Examples: I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. every day. She plays tennis on weekends. General truth, facts that are always true. Examples: the sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Scheduled events, events set by a timetable. Examples: the train leaves at 6 p.m. The store opens at 9 a.m. Stative verbs, verbs that describe a state rather than an action. Examples: I know the answer. She believes in ghosts. Let's look at some examples in sentences to see the present simple in action. He drives to work every day. They live in New York. Do you like coffee? She doesn't play the piano. Notice how we use do and does to form questions and negatives in the present simple. Do you play soccer? Does she read books? I do not eat meat. He does not watch TV. Conclusion. And there you have it. The present simple tense is fundamental for expressing habits, general truths, scheduled events, and states. Practice using it in your daily conversations, and you'll master it in no time. And now, let's take a test. Task 1. Match the subject pronoun and the verb. There are many possibilities. Task 2. Complete the sentence. They gap 5 days a week. Learn. She gap her works. Likes. Do you gap violin? Play. They gap soccer. Practice. She gap the dishes after every meal. wash. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Clouds for more English learning tips. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up. See you in the next video.